It is a common sight to see a couple having two kids with a few years of age difference between them. So this is the general scenario. One baby is born at a time to a couple. But this condition might also arise when a couple produces two babies at once, and it is commonly known as twins. Now, how are twins formed? Let us see. See, you might have classmates who have a twin sister or a twin brother, and they look completely identical to each other. You cannot tell a difference between the two. Well, if they are identical externally, then it means that their genetic character of the cells are identical as well. All cells are genetically identical, and then it specializes to form different organs. Now, why are cells genetically identical? Well, this is because all life starts from a single cell. One cell divides to form two, two divides to form four, and this process continues until a baby is born. Now, if two brothers are completely identical to each other, look-wise as well as genetically, then it means that both of them have been produced from a single cell. Well, how does that happen? See, the mother's ovum gets fertilized by a sperm and forms the zygote. Now, at times it happens that the zygote breaks down to form two cells. These two cells get implanted in the mother's uterus to form two different bodies. So, division of the same zygote forms twins, and these kind of twins are known as monozygotic twins. Mono means single and zygotic means zygote. Now, monozygotic twins are always of the same sex. They might either be female twins or male twins. Now, monozygotic twins always share a common placenta. And that is the reason at times what happens is either of the siblings becomes a little weaker, because when they were a fetus, they were sharing a common placenta. So it might have happened that one of the fetus has got majority of the nutrition from the placenta, while the other lacked the nutrition from the placenta. And hence, this fetus, which got less of the nutrition, became weaker when he grew up. Now, these siblings are also twins. It is not necessary that twins will always be appearance-wise identical or of the same sex. They might be of opposite sex. Now, if they are of opposite sex, then it is clear that they do not have the same genetic makeup, because a boy's genetic makeup and a girl's genetic makeup are completely different. While a girl has XX chromosomes, a boy has XY chromosomes. Now, what happens in this condition? Well, it might happen that the mother's body release two matured ovum at the same time, and both the ovum might get fertilized by two different sperms. So, when fertilization takes place, two different zygotes are formed, and these zygotes in future gets attached on the uterine wall of the mother's uterus to form two different babies, and this is known as the dizygotic twins, where di means two and zygotic means a zygote. Now, dizygotic twins do not share a common placenta. They have their own placenta. See? And that is the reason it is not found that either of the siblings are weak. Both of them are healthy and properly nourished by the placenta. So these types of dizygotic twins are also known as fraternal twins, where fraternal means brotherhood. Now, fraternal twins can be of the same sex or of the opposite sex. Now, look at the pictures. Which of the two siblings do you think is a monozygotic twin and a dizygotic twin? Well, yes. See, both the sisters are completely identical to each other, so their genetic makeup must also be similar and identical to each other. So this is a monozygotic twin. But see, look at these two siblings. They are not identical appearance-wise, so they are dizygotic twins. That is, they have been formed from two different zygotes.